To record phone calls in the Xiaomi 17T Pro, you can for sure do this, but it will be not possible if you think about that recorder, because when you open it we can find calls, but that's just simply not working, at least in my region. If you are in some other regions like outside the Europe, let me know if you can actually record calls with a call recorder, with a sound recorder actually. Now, when you open the Google Play Store, you will have to input that phrase call recorder cube ACR. You will have to download this application, install, click next, grant all necessary permissions just one by one. And there we go. We have to also add cube to auto start. So from this, enable it, go back, click OK and select no restrictions for your battery. Click OK again, no restrictions one more time. Click yes, grant permission for location, click to grant permission and select allow all the time. And here, as you can see, we got a free trial with the 3 days, and then it will be paid like 11 Polish zloty 1 week. So it's around like 10 bucks per month. If you really want to do this, you can subscribe, but if you don't like it, you can just simply go back, and now you will install the ICR helper for calls to work properly with the latest Google Play Store update. As you can see, this is the destination where you can get it on different phones, but in this case, what you can do, simply download this from the APK file. So we have to input this cube ICR helper phrase with this APK phrase. You are picking it here, and now you can go, for example, for cube ICR helper application. This will allow you to do this. So now you'll have to download this application, connect, and everything will be finished.